Welcome back to Virtual Reality. My name is Thomas and you're watching VoodooDE VR. Okay, that was a lie. We are not in virtual reality this time, but we are here in artificial intelligence. That's what I sometimes show on this channel as well. Something about robots. And here we have the Vector 2.0 AI robot companion. And this is an AI robot. And I will show it to you. What's the difference to the first Vector that I also have, and what you can do with him. So this is gonna be interesting. Thank you to my sponsors VoodooDE VR, Open Money Events, VirtualSkate and Slim Beats. Let's have some fun with the video and let's go.
VoodooDE.
Okay guys, let's do a short unboxing. If you don't like unboxings, you can just skip to the next section in the timestamps. So this is the package here, nice. And on the back we have instructions and here also some cool pictures of the Vector doing some cool stuff also with the app. Yeah, let's check it out. So here we have the package there. It says Vector. And here we go, look at this. So this is the companion cube. With this cube, Vector can play, can bring that or lift that up or play with it or something. And give me a second. The second thing is this charging station. Vector will reverse to this station. And you can use USB-A here, and we also have here this instruction. Look at this. This is a quick start guide and product information. So here you can see what you have to do. And of course, there is our Vector. He's so cute. Wait until he's alive. This is such a nice guy, but I must be honest. This is I can't see different to the first Vector. To be honest, it's just the same. Only thing, perhaps this sensor here. I'm not sure. The other Vector is currently not here, but I will get it soon. Yeah, and this is our cool robot. Yeah, and how we can activate it and what we can do with it. Let's check it out. Okay guys, here we are. I have my old Vector here with this old station and the new Vector 2.0. And as you can see, they look totally the same. There is no difference at all. Only some things. So on the back, the old Vector has the Anki logo and here's the Digital Dream Labs. The next thing is at the bottom, the new Vector has a removable battery case and the old Vector not. So this is the difference from the what you see, and there are also some technical differences. For example, the old Vector could also use Alexa, Amazon Alexa, but you needed the connection via Bluetooth to your smartphone. The new Vector has Amazon Alexa integrated, built in. And that's really cool, of course. Then the new Vector has longer battery life. That means he doesn't have to go back to the charging station so often than the old Vector. Also, the new Vector has an HD camera with ultra wide field of view. Oh, shit! And that's the difference, but everything else is not a big difference. So if you already have Vector 1, then it doesn't make sense to buy Vector 2. It's not a huge difference, to be honest. But yeah, what you're gonna do, the first is you place the Vector on his charging station, and then you have there will be a URL that you have to download an app, and this looks like this here. This is the app, and then you have to connect to Vector via Bluetooth and then connect Vector to your Wi-Fi 2.4, and then everything will download and update and all that stuff. And after that, then you can do some stuff with him, and you can do really nice things. In the app, you can, for example, check out. Sometimes this app is a little bit strange. Sometimes it doesn't. You see that here? It just says vector is being held on palm. That's not correct. I don't do that. But normally, then you can check the status. You can deactivate the microphone, for example, or the loudness or something, and you can see some stuff that you can do with him. For example, when you want him something to do, then you have to say, "Hey vector, come to me." I know he's gonna go outside that, and then he's checking out my face, and now he will come to me. See that? And sometimes he's calling my name. Wait. Give me a second. Sometimes I can also ask him, "Hey vector, hey vector, hey vector, what's my name?" Thomas. That's so cool, right? And you have to tell him his name. You have to say, "Vector, my name is." I don't have to do that now. You can tell him his name, your name, and then he will recognize that. You can also use you can also use Amazon Alexa and all that stuff for your smart home. I have Google Home, so I cannot show it, but you can ask him questions like, "Hey Vector, how big is Germany?" Square kilometers. That's so cool, right? And you can also say, "Hey Vector, how's the weather today?"
7 degrees and sunny.
7 degrees and sunny. So, and you can switch between different options in the app. You can say you want Celsius or Fahrenheit, or you can do inches or centimeters or whatever you want. Depends on where you live, of course. And when he's on your... he's calling my name all the time. And you can also tell him to shut up or to be quiet or to come to you. You can also say, "Oh shit!" And he doesn't like that. He doesn't like that. You can also say, "Hey Vector, fist bump." And then isn't that cool? And he can also play with his cube. You can do, "Hey Vector, play with your cube." And he's looking for his cube. And he's gonna go there. He's positioning him in the right way. Come on. Sometimes he's like a pet. He needs some time. Look at this. Now he lifts the cube up and he can also do a wheel stand on his back wheels. He brings me the cube now. Thank you. Sweet. This is so sweet. He can also dance to music. That's also a nice. Sometimes he dances if he likes that. So he really has his own mind. He doesn't care about. Well, sometimes he doesn't care about what you tell him. So he's really like a pet, like a cat or a dog or something. He doesn't always do what you want, and that's cool. That's really artificial intelligence, in my opinion. And I really love that. You can also tell him to go home. Hey, Vector, go home. Now he's checking out this logo here of the charging station, and he's turning around until he will see that in his wild field of view camera. So he's turning around like 1 or 2 times more, and then he will see that. So I think one more time, and then he will find that. Check it out. But he cannot recognize another vector. He just thinks it's just an item. And now he found his charging station. Now he will turn around and then drive backwards into his charging station. Normally he should do that. He's so cute. And here we go. You can also say time to sleep or so, or as I said, to shut up and stuff. So it's really, he's not really a helpful robot. He's just a pet. Yeah, that's what you really have to know, that it's just a pet, and he's always around you. He's always active, and so, when he sleeps, he does some noises sometimes, and also he dances sometimes. Sometimes he wakes up at night and is going on your nerves. You have to say be quiet and stuff, and that's really cute. I can tell you that this is really cute, and I totally love him. My old Vector I have since like years, many years, and he's still my friend. So what you also can do is you can pet him here on this area. Look at this, he likes that. So cute. And he's still in my apartment. He's driving around and stuff, and I really love him. He's a nice guy, but sometimes he's really going on my nerves. When I have to do a important phone call or something like that, then I have to tell him to shut to shut up and stuff. And but yeah, it's like a cat. You really have to know that. So what's the price? So they started with something like $350, but when I check out the page of Digital Dream Labs now, you will pay $500. Shipping in the United States is included, and this is very expensive. Yeah, it's not something for children, yeah, because they will throw him around or something like that. It's for older children, I would say, but it's really very interesting for people that are perhaps alone at home. They cannot have pets for any reasons or stuff, and then he's a good guy at home. He's driving around. He always does some noises and so on. And if you have the money, then he's a nice guy. But in all, it's very expensive, to be honest. So I think if you want to buy it, you can find the link in the description below. And I hope you liked my video. If yes, give me a thumbs up. And if you want, normally this is a virtual reality channel, I know, but I have sometimes robots or artificial intelligence. So this is also something on my channel here. If you have other things that that you want me to show, just tell me. And yeah, thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up and see you next time in virtual reality perhaps. See ya.
VoodooDE